Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to receive Bitcoin on Cash App, step by step, so you can start accepting crypto in just a couple of minutes. Whether you're getting paid in Bitcoin, transferring from another wallet, or just testing it out, this quick guide will make sure you do it the right way. First, open your Cash App and head to the banking section by tapping the little bank icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where all your money management tools live. Next, tap on the Bitcoin tab. This is where you'll find everything related to crypto inside Cash App. Now, tap the small icon that opens your Bitcoin options. A pop-up menu will appear, and here's where you select Receive Bitcoin. Once you tap that, you'll see a QR code appear on your screen. This QR code is your personal Bitcoin wallet address, and you can share it with anyone who's sending you Bitcoin. If the sender prefers to use an address instead of scanning a code, simply tap on the QR code to bring up the alphanumeric version of your wallet address. Tap the little paper icon to copy it. You'll see it turn into a check mark to confirm it's been copied. Then just paste and share this address anywhere you need. And that's it. As soon as the sender completes the transaction, you'll see the Bitcoin appear in your Cash App once the network confirms it. So that's how easy it is to receive Bitcoin on Cash App.